This is the Petastream S20 wireless speaker. A Bluetooth speaker that will just work straight out of the box. No app, no Wi-Fi needed. Just connect to it and go. And you can turn it into a multi-room speaker array. If you get yourself more than just one, you can connect up to 5 of them over the great intuitive 8-button interface on top. And it even has push-to-talk functionalities and many other cool features that we will check out in a bit. I was dreaming about a system like this for years. This is just so convenient. Currently, I'm using 3 Bluetooth speakers. One for the kitchen, one for the living room, and one for the bedroom. So whenever I switch rooms, which happens quite often, I have to turn off the Bluetooth speaker, turn on the other one, connect to it, start up the song again. Massive pain in the butt. But with the S20 system, all of that is a thing of the past. And best of all, these speakers also sound amazing. So enough talking, let's get straight to it. Got the new drip from Petastream, their brand new S20 wireless speaker sound system. By the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will list and link the best deals for you. And now, let's check it out. So here we have the boxes. Check it out, that's on the top. The sides are just blank, and on the back we have all the specs and features, as you can see. So let's open them up. So check it out, on top we have a foam pad, then we have the box right there wrapped up. We can just remove it like so. In here we will also find the paperwork, namely the manual, and another divider slash foam pad, and on the bottom we have the power brick and also the remote. So remote and the brick. So let's get to all the accessories and the manual. First of all, the power brick comes with a nice and long cable, as you can see right here. That's the plug for the box, and that's for the wall outlet, of course. And there are all these specs and features of the brick. Then we also have the remote right here. Nice buttons right there. Petastream here with the infrared blaster on top. That's the back. Nicely rounded, very light, and down here is the place for a cell. So let's insert one right away. CR2032, and there we go. And we also get the manual right there. This is just a beta version, just so you know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Last page is just blank. 3 manuals, 3 power bricks, a remote, and 3 speakers. Done with it unboxing. Let's get to my first impressions and then of course to a close overview. So there we go, check it out. I like the design. Nice matte black body. Looks really awesome. 4 nice rubber feet, so it's quite sturdy. And on the top, as you can see, every one of them has the PTT push-to-talk button right there. Nice looking interface, smooth to the touch. So yeah, let's take a close look. So here you can see the box, and if you look closely you can see both drivers, the base cutout, open design right there. We have the brand on top right there, shiny letters on the matte black body. Check it out, looks really nice. And there you can see the drivers better and also the infrared receiver. I think this is it from the side. Other side, nicely rounded corners. And on the back we also have a threaded insert as well as the stereo selector. So we have right, left, we have power DC in, line out, and aux jack right there. Looking nice. Here we have the bottom with a set rubber feet. And lastly here we have the top with all the buttons. Oh, nice buttons. The integrated microphone, the push to talk button, plus, minus, 1, 2, 3 on off button. Really nice buttons. And here the 8 actual interface buttons right there. And it's smooth to the touch, really dope. Not bad, right? So let's set it all up and then of course test them. So let's start with one speaker. Let's plug in the power cable. As you can see, this LED will light up red, and when we press this power button, short press, it will turn blue and power up the speaker. On the remote, we basically have the same buttons as on this top side. So I will just use the top right there to configure it. And currently we have the TX active. Bluetooth is blinking, it's searching, and we can also turn it into a receiver with a button press right there. This will then deactivate the Bluetooth, of course, but we will use this one as the transmitter. So let's turn it on, transmitter and Bluetooth. So it's right there, S20 with a number, with a unique identifier. And there we go. Let's go for a sound test right off the bat. We can make it louder right there. Crisp vocals. Nice bass. All right, that's amazing. So everything works straight out of the box. And now let's get a second speaker into the mix. Let's power it up. On button, short press, it will turn blue. TX, this one is set to RX, perfect. And now, so nice. And best of all, we can also easily set the behavior of the speakers. So I can go to a left and this one to a right. Right there. And just like that, we have a stereo configuration, but I will use this as a multi-room array. But before we get to that, let's briefly check out the talkback functionality, intercommunication. So we can turn it on. We also need to turn it on this speaker. Both are set to 3. Hello. But when they're this close together, then we will of course create a massive feedback loop. I just wanted to show you how it's done when we get to an actual test, and we can also turn the talkback volume up or down. So 3 speakers, 3 rooms, perfect. Let's get to it. This will be the perfect setup for my flat because as you can see I have a speaker in my bedroom. I also have a speaker in my kitchen, and I'm also playing music from my PC in my office room. And always switching from one Bluetooth box to another is just super annoying. And best of all, with this system I can also use my PC to connect to a box, and then it will play, for example, a YouTube video in all the other rooms. This is just perfect when you move around in your flat a lot. And best of all, with this little hack right there, when you connect an aux cable, you can actually connect many more, but 5 is already plenty. So let's get rid of this one and let's place the first receiver up here. So there we go. It's in the receiver mode, of course. And it's powered up. Let's remove this one as well. So let's go, second receiver. That's perfect. Talkback is also active as well as on this one. And by the way, when you turn off the speaker, it will also turn off the intercom, of course. And the main speaker, the master, the transmitter right there. It is now connected to my phone. But let's switch it up to the PC. So press and hold for repairing. Just like that. Now I can add a device on my Windows PC, just like that. And there we go. It will also show up right there. And here we go. So we have the first speaker. So nice. Really nice sound, by the way. And now check this out. We have the second one. Oh my goodness. And we have the third one. Sounds wild. It sounds wild. Wow. Let's go full power. All right. Wow, it sounds so wild when you transition from a room to another one. What an amazing system. And now the talkback. Hello. Hello. I will move the phone. I will leave it right here and I will go back to the other room. Let's see.
Okay. Hello. Right, let's go. So cool.
So as you saw with the Petastream S20 sound system, you can get an amazing sounding multi-room speaker system going in seconds. Everything works automatically straight out of the box. Just connect to the Bluetooth, select TX and RX, and it will just work. You can also communicate with the other boxes, and we can switch the channels when we press here, or we can also turn it off. And we can also use the aux, of course, with the aux button, but let's go back to Bluetooth and TX. And you could also wall mount it somewhere up high and control everything with the remote. So yeah, it sounds amazing. It works straight out of the box, no app needed. What an amazing system. Massive thumbs up from my side. The S20 speakers are amazing. And what's also amazing is that every speaker also has a line out. So you can also use this just as a receiver and connect another Bluetooth box to it, or you know, a subwoofer or anything else for that matter. A really awesome concept. It's basically open for everything, for expansion. So goes without saying that this box is producing more bass than this one. So if you already have existing boxes, you could also use these to just link them up to create a multi-room setup with your old speakers, because this just makes it so easy and fast. I love it. So as you saw, this setup process was extremely simple, fast and intuitive. It basically works straight out of the box, making it a breeze to set up for anyone. And this C20 system is a unique fusion between audio and also intercom technology. We have the push to talk, we have two-way audio. It's just so nice. So this system can basically do it all. Music ambience and clear communication for both residential and also commercial settings. And thanks to the built-in 900 MHz bandwidth intercom functionalities, there is just no need for Wi-Fi or even an app. You can just set everything up just over the nice intuitive 8-button interface on top. Very easy to handle, it's super easy to switch modes, just a great concept all in all. Outdoors, the connection distance between the speakers is all the way up to 180 meters, and indoor it's between 20 to 30 meters, which is plenty. And by the way, the connection is crystal clear and it's also interference resistant. And best of all, the main focus still is the exceptional sound quality of the whole system. These speakers are home theater grade, giving you crisp highs, clear mids and a strong bass. They sound awesome. So yeah, super intuitive, great hardware, great build quality, as well as the design and the concept is just wow. The Petastream S20 speaker system is a definitely to repeat. Check out the product links in the description if you're interested. I will list and link the best deals for you. But before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy your day and I will see you soon.